Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a salmon steak. We have 4 ingredients: sugar, soy sauce, oil, and salmon. This is the brand of salmon we will be using today. And it's already pre-cut into pieces and it has no scales. Over here, I have 2 pieces of salmon that I thawed in the refrigerator last night. Now we're going to add some oil into a pan. So we're going to need about this much oil. Now I'm going to put the lid on and turn it onto medium heat. But this cooktop is a little bit broken, so high is medium. Now we're going to set a 1-minute timer so that the pan will heat up.
1 minute later.
Now that the timer has run, we can lift up the lid, turn the timer off, and then we're going to grab the salmon and spread the oil out. And then we're going to plop the salmon here, and we're going to plop the other salmon steak here. Now we're going to put the lid on top, and now we're going to wait 3 minutes or until white spots start forming on top of the salmon.
A few minutes later.
Now that the timer has rang, we can turn it off, lift the lid up, and as you can see, there's an white stuff on it, so we're going to lift it up and flip it. Now we're going to put the lid back on and set a 30-second timer.
30 seconds later.
Now that the 30-second timer has rang, I'm going to lift this up and add some soy sauce to the salmon. Okay, a little bit more. Now I'm going to sprinkle in some sugar. This is enough. Now I'm going to wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it again. Now we're going to move it, turn off heat, put the lid on, and now we're going to set a 1-minute timer.
1 minute later.
Now that the timer has rang, I'm going to turn it off, lift the lid up, and now we're going to scoop up the salmon and place it into a pan.
Looks yummy. We're done?
You can use this sauce and put some vegetables in it to use up the sauce, but I'm not going to do that.
Okay. So we're done? So easy?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
We're done?
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Now time to eat. Let's taste the salmon.
You can now talk when you're eating.
Very delicious. It's sort of salty, but it's also sort of sweet. It's a perfect balance.
Nice.
You can also taste the soy sauce in here.
Oh, so the soy sauce is the salty part.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Do you want this salmon? If you do, please like this video or subscribe. Bye!
This is going to be your dinner, right? Yummy dinner.
Yeah.